13-12, good luck.
Thank you. I got
Yeah, it's gonna be
10 seconds.
Fast start.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Right 3 plus over dip, water maybe. 30. Left 4 plus long. 30. Left 4 minus very long. 50. Right 3 plus. 50. Right 5 plus. 30. Left 3 minus. Right 4 plus into left 4 minus. Just keep it tighty. Calm down.
Just trying to get it going.
I know.
It's a big hill. I'm calm.
Again, this is going to be a right 4 plus into left 4 minus. Left 3. Oh, nope. Right 3. Right 3. I got off. Left 4 minus. Don't cut. Here comes the rain. Stay left over, stay left. 30, right 4 plus, there we go. Into left 5, tightens 3. Again, left 5 minus tightens 3. Small crest. 30, left 3. Again, left 3.
A filter doesn't stand a chance.
Yeah. Right, hairpin right. Again, hairpin right. Long. 70. Right 5 over crest. Into left 4 over small crest, long tightens. As long as we don't get in the dust, we'll be fine.
Yeah. Come on, rain.
Yeah. Left 5 plus over small crest into right 6 over small crest. And here is a right 4 over small crest. Into left 5, tightens over small jump. Into a dip, right 5 plus over small crest. 70, left 5 plus over crest.
Next.
70, left 4 plus. Into a right 4 plus off camber, tightens. Caution, double caution, small crest into left 3 plus, drop. 70, right 3 minus. Small crest into a double caution, left 4, tightens 2, drop.
Come on, come on.
Again, this is left 4 long, tightens 2, plus, drop.
Tightens 2, right?
Yeah. Then it opens again. Right 3 off camber. Into left 3 plus over rocks. Right 3 plus opens over crest. 100. Right 6 plus over small crest. 50. Left 4 over crest. 30. Turn right 2. Left 2. Bump. Left 2. Bump. Into right 3. Into left 5 plus short. 50, right 4, over crest. Again, right 4 over crest. 70, left 3. 30, right 6 over crest, tightens 4 plus. Again, this tightens over 4 plus. 30, crest, right 5. Into left 6 over small crest, opens over crest, tightens 4 after the small crest. 30, long crest.
Next.
Into left 5.
We're on it.
Yep. Stay cautious, stay right down, left 3, sorry. Right 4 over small jump into left 4 over crest. 50, bump into crest. 50, small crest, right 3 plus. 30.
Oh, hold on. Slow down. It's
Yeah.
right
I got it. Crest.
Oh.
20. Right 3 tightens down, long. Into left 4 plus. Crest. short into 100, left 2. Here's your left 2 plus. Opens. Crest. 30, crest again. Caution, right 4, drop outside. 30, double caution, right 5, over crest, drop. Tightens 3, tightens 3.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
It
opens, yep.
Sooner.
Yeah, I gotta underline the whole thing. 30, left 4, into a right 5 plus short over crest, into a left 2.
Ooh, call that.
Yep.
Underline it.
Yeah.
Just that left 5 and 2 together.
Yeah, double caution, right 3, over crest. Here's a right 3 over crest. Opens, left 5 over crest into jump. 40, left 4 short, minus short. Left 4 short, right 4, left 5.
You're doing good.
Yep. Small crest into a hairpin 1, or excuse me, hairpin left, narrow. Hairpin left, narrow. Dip into a right 3 plus. Crest, right 5. Into a caution, left 5 minus, right 2, drop outside, long over crest. Left 5 over crest. After this crest, a small crest, do a left 2 minus. Again, left 2 minus. Right 3 long, into a left 3 plus. Double caution, right 4 short, outside into a hairpin right. Hairpin right. Left 3 into a right 3. Into a double caution, left 4 short over crest, drop outside.
Left 4?
Yep.
Drop outside, okay.
Yep. Bumps over 50, left 2 very long, again left 2 very long. Triple caution, 30, right 3 over crest. Yeah, this was very long. Again, triple caution, right 3 over crest, drop. And it opens, over crest, rocks, left 4. Right 5 plus, 50, small crest 100, jump down, 30, left 3 plus.
Left 3?
Yeah. Caution, jump into a left 3 short, into right 2. There's the right, left 3, caution.
Left 2.
Oh, yep.
Not a right 2.
Oh, here's the right 2. Yeah, I got that one early. Left 4 minus over crest, right 3 over crest. To a left 5 over crest, turn right 3. Again, turn right 3.
Right 3?
Right 3.
That's a left.
Oh no. What the f is wrong with these notes?
This is the right 3.
Here's the right 3. I got ahead. 50. Left 5 plus into a right 3 long soft. Left 5 minus over jump.
Slow down a little bit.
Yeah. Jump, right 5. That's why I was trying to get ahead, because it jumps. Right 5 short over crest.
I don't know what the f that was.
Yeah. Left 3 over small crest. Left 3 plus over jump, triple caution, yep, here it is, triple caution, right 2.
You're lost.
Yeah.
You're lost.
Alright, fucking don't have any mileage, god.
4.8.
Left 2. Oh, what is this? No, that's not the fuck, what the fuck, where the hell is it? Right. Ooh, call what you see.
That was a hairpin right. Downhill.
Jump, slow down. Yeah, bring it under control.
5 miles.
Yep. Okay, yeah, right 4 over jump to a left 2 plus. Here it is. Yeah, I got it. Here, left 2 plus here.
Slow down a little bit so you don't get ahead.
Into right 3 over crest. 150. Right 4 into left 3. Yeah, right 4 into left 3. Woo. Is it? There, just
no.
What the f? Right 2, 5.2.
This is a left 2.
Left 3.
Left 2. To a right.
There's no left here.
Oh. Carl.
Yeah, I know. What mileage are we at? 5.3?
5.3.
Left 5 short into
Come up on a hairpin left.
Here's the right, yep, I got it right 4 over crest down, 30, bump it to left 2 plus.
We're not going down. Oh, okay, and left 2 plus maybe? I don't know.
That was a bump, yeah. To a right 4, what the what is this at?
5.5.
Yeah, I got it.
Wheel spin, we're probably 5.4.
Yeah, right 4 short into crest, left 4 short, no. So, no, just drive what you see. What the man?
Hairpin left.
Yeah, drive what you see. I've got no clue.
5.7.
So short, left 4 short.
Left 4
Left 4 plus, right 5 short over crest into left 5 over crest.
Oh, we got
triple caution, right 3 over jump narrow.
This is it.
No. Outside, left 3 short after this.
Left 3, yep.
Yeah, left 3 short into a right 5 plus short. Into another left short. Into a right 3 plus short. 30, hairpin left. Well, that's not really a hairpin. Left 2. Left 2. To a crest 50, right 3 plus long, down.
What is this?
Right 3 long, down. Left 3, 30. Left 3 plus. So left 3 into left 3 plus. 50. Left 4 plus over.
Hold on.
Yeah. Left 4 plus over bumps. Tightens 2. This tightens 2.
Okay.
Right 5 over small crest. Tightens 2. And just tightens 2. Small crest into left 5 plus. Again, left 5 plus here. Into bumps over 30. Right 4 plus over crest. 50, small crest. 30, left 4 into a right 5 minus. Again, left 4 into a right 5 minus. 50, left 4, opens, tightens 4 minus. 50, right 3, or excuse me, right 5 over small crest. Into a left 6 plus over small crest. 50, right 4 plus. Again, this is your right 4 plus. Left 3 over crest into a right 4. 30, crest, left 3 plus opens over crest. 70, right 4 plus long. Into crest, 70 left 4, tightens 3. Over the crest. Into a right 4 short. Into a left 5 short, into a right 2 long. Again, this is right 2 long. 70, small jump. 40, left 3 over small crest. Again, left 3 over small crest. 70, right 6 plus. Right 3 over bump long. Again, right 3 over bump long. Into a left 3 over bump.
Soft.
Yeah. 30, left 3. 100. Right 3 plus. Again, right 3 plus. 30, left 3 plus. Right 5 minus. Into crest. Left 5 short. To a right 3 tightens, this right 4 tightens 3. This tightens 3 over the crest. 30, crest into right 4 plus short. Into a left 4 plus over bump long over crest. 30, right 4 minus. Here's your right 4 minus into a left 5 short. Right 5 over small jump, left 3 plus over crest. 30, right 4 plus into a left 4 plus long. Left 5 short. 30, right 3 over small crest. Right 4 over small jump, opens down. Again, right 4 over small jump, opens down, left 3. caution, dip. 70, crest 50, right 6 plus. Stay left over crest.
After?
30, left 6. Crest 30, left 4.
Hold on.
Yep.
This is a left 6?
Yep. Is it left 4 over the crest here?
Yep.
Yep. 50, right 5 over kick. Again, right 5 over kick. Watch that kick.
Right 5?
Yep. There's the kick. 50, small crest into left 4 minus.
What?
Kinks 200. Again, kinks 200. Small crest. 40, right 4. Right, left 6 plus over crest. Here's your, yep, here's the right 4. Left 6 plus over crest. Into a right 5 plus over kick. Ooh, those kicks are nasty. 30, right 4 short into a left 3 over small crest. 30, left 4 plus short. Or excuse me, left 4 plus. Right 4 over long crest. 30, left 4 plus over bump long. Into right 5 plus. Into a left 4 plus over crest. Caution 30, right 4 jump down into a left 5 minus. 50, right 5 short over kick into a left 5 over small jump, long 30. Right 5 over crest into left 5 minus over small crest. Into a right 5 short, 50, right 3 over small crest, again right 3 over small crest. 50, left 4 minus. 50, or into right 4 over small crest, left 3 over small crest long, double caution drop on the right starts, into right 5 over crest, to left 5 plus short, into double caution bump, 30 left 4, into a double caution right 5 over bump. Here's the right 5 over bump, caution, to a right 6, tightens over crest down, opens tightens 5.
Right 6?
Yeah, over crest, opens tightens 5.
Roger.
30, right 6 over small crest, into a small crest, to double caution left 6 over bump, to a double caution left 4 over small crest. Here's your double caution over left over small crest. Crest 100, right 2 here. 50. Good job.
Oh!
Good job. Right 4 over small crest to a left 5 short. Right 4 over small crest to a left 5 short over crest. Bump left 2. Left 2. Drops end. 70. Small jump into a right 5 plus short. Hairpin right. Hairpin right. 50. Left 5 minus over crest. 30, double caution left 2, drop outside. Bumps into right 4 long. Caution left 3, drop outside. 30, small crest to a right 3. Opens tight, tightens opens.
Oh shit.
Ooh, soft, soft. Got it. Right 4. I assume you wanted to soft there.
Thank you.
30, jump to a left 5. Right 4 over crest. 20, left 2 over the finish. 50, left 4. I forgot to start my clock. Phew, good lord.
Oh my god. We need to put the filter on.
A little tricky section, no joke up in there.